So here in the box I still have different types of stones, like different colors I got from the beach of Ontario Lake. So first you have to wash it very well, even soaked in warm, lukewarm water with a little bit of soap, clean it and dry it because there's some sand and dirt. And actually the soap is very good to dissolve some dirt. And then like I do some background. So what I use usually for white color, and if I have some design in my mind, so I used Gesso. Gesso is very cheap paint. You can use any white paint, any color of paint, because for example I wanted to make green one, red one, and black one. It doesn't matter. Of course there is a different surface of the stone because it's very difficult, let's say, to do some painting if the stone has this type of shape, like oval or egg shape, because your tools sometimes will be spreading the paint not equally and you will be disappointed. Like this one, it's stone, it's really flat, very nice, perfect for dot painting or any painting. And this one actually, it's more challenge, and this one also, you can put your logo on the back if you want at the beginning or later, doesn't matter. So this is kind of sets of stones I would like to paint, and later I'm gonna tell you what kind of paints and like pencils or what kind of instrument I use to paint my stones.